Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. I had a baby, that's why I've not been here. No biggie, just had a baby. And well, after I had my baby, I was like sat at home just cuddling him away and all that good stuff, when there was a knock at my door, and it was a delivery person. Name all this. It's Box of Goth. Box of Goth, Nikki and Lucy have sent me this as a present because they're fucking awesome. And I think they want more brownies. But no, they've sent me this because they are just beautiful, beautiful human beings. And they know I fucking love the Addams family. And they know that I've had a shit pregnancy and then a shit birth and a shit time afterwards. And they have just sent me this because they're amazing. And I love them. So, yeah. This is Box of Goth, fucking Addams Family Edition, which I'm super, super excited about. Please excuse the state of me. Well, don't. I don't really care if you don't like how I look because I just had a baby. And I know Nikki and Lucy will not care if I am in sick covered pyjamas with nappies on the floor behind me. And these are stockings that I have to wear to stop me getting a DVT. Let's get into it. Box of Goth costs this much a month. I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen as well. But yeah, if you like things that are a little bit weird and a little bit creepy, a bit like me, then you will like Box of Goth. I'm so excited. Like, if you don't like the Addams family, then we just can't be friends. There's no way around it. There's a few things in life that if you don't like the Addams family and if you don't like Die Hard, we can't be friends. And I'm sorry, but not really. So let's get in. Okay, where is the little thing to tell me where everything is? Because I am rubbish at knowing stuff. Right, got it here. Got it. So the Addams family. First of all, Pugsley tribute socks. So these are little trainer socks in the style of Pugsley Addams. I'm not going to put them on now because I've got my stockings on and I've got sweaty feet. But these are some cute socks. Next up, it says I am smiling. And every month there's a different theme. Like we've had Kings of Horror, Queens of Horror, Oddities, Taxidermy, the black box, which was just amazing, the pastel goth. There's just bajillions. I have paid for this box many times previously, but they have sent this to me because they're just lush and I love them. Oh my god, is this like Harmer beads? Is it Harmer beads from when I was like a child? Look, it's fucking Wednesday Addams. That might be my favourite necklace ever. Seriously. It's the beads, like when you were little, the ones that you put together and then your mum ironed them for you because you couldn't be trusted with an iron. That is amazing. Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday Adam face necklace. That is, I love that so much. Oh my goodness, someone's made that. Someone's had to sit and make that. And they always put things in that are like made by people and not like by robots and shit. And they always have really cool Instagram. They use lots of Instagram brands who I've become friends with a few of them, like Jawline Jewelry, Accessory Cemetery, both amazing. I'll link them as well. And just, if I can link anybody on Instagram, I will. Apocalyptic Beauty. So this is a Wednesday Tombstone eyeshadow. This is the card that comes with it. Let's find the eyeshadow. Where is it? Is it you? Here we go. Apocalyptic Beauty, Wednesday Addams eyeshadow. It's a little tiny eyeshadow, as all eyeshadows are. Let's try and open it. Oh my god, I'm sweating my boobs off. It's so hot. My other half is off work, by the way, just like downstairs with the baby. I've not just left an 11-day-old on his own downstairs with his sisters. Oh, it's a grey. It's like a pigment, okay? So I'm going to be really careful. It's not a pressed eyeshadow. It is a pigment. and it's a grey, and it's a really pretty, that is such a nice grey. Look, my bruised hand from all the millions of cannulas. That is lush. So it's like a soft matte blue grey. I love that. My excited noise and face. Wow. Okay, let's just, oh look at this, it says I'm not perky. That is from when she goes to camp. If you haven't seen it, if you haven't seen this at Addams Family, then what are you doing watching this? This is just like a little greetings card that you can give to somebody. I will not be giving to anybody. It will be going on my wall, or when I eventually get an office again, on my background. Ba, 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 ba. We've got an Uncle Fester face sticker. I love that. That's hilarious. It's like a foamy kind of, feels like a bit foamy. And that's going to go on my mirror along with my Morticia Addams cutting the heads off roses sticker. Yes? Yes, yes. Oh, I'm sweating. What are you? We've got a ring. What is this ring? What is the ring? Where is it? I don't know, it doesn't say about the ring. But we've got a little ring. Really pretty. Oh look, is it oh, it's a mood ring, I think. Love a mood ring. Are you a mood ring? Are you? It is, isn't it? Yeah, it's a mood ring. Oh, I love a mood ring. The kids are gonna think that's amazing. It's gone really dark blue now because I am sweaty AF. Right, next up, we've got a little magnet that says, you severely underestimate my apathy. There we go. That is a magnet, isn't it? Yeah, a little magnet that's going to go on my fridge. Most of the magnets on my fridge are from Box of Goth. I'd just like to point that out. What is this? A little scroll. To live without you, only that would be torture. A day alone, only that would be death. I love that. It's like couple goals. Just, I love it. That's going in a frame. That's amazing. That's so cool. There's a new Addams Family coming out, like an animated one. Very excited about it. Next up, we've got a lolly. The lolly doesn't say on there. I think we've just got a stripy lolly that looks like Pugsley. And then we've got a thing, a pin badge. And then lastly, oh, this is too cute. That's a really, really good face. This is just the cutest fucking badge ever. It's Cousin It. Look at this. It's looking a little enamel. Come on, camera. Go on. Go on, camera. Look at that. That is like the cutest little badge ever. And it's Cousin It. Look how tiny it is. I love it. I love it. Yeah. Very, very happy. That has cheered me up no end after a shocker of a couple of days. What does this say? The ring is an extra gift. I am a smiling temperature change mood ring. Lush balls. That was awesome. I am very, very happy with that. Thank you so much, you beautiful fucking human beings, for sending me this. And I'm sorry it's taken me so long to unbox it. Like, they sent me this. I think I'd been home like 3 days, maybe 4 days. And now the baby is 11 days old. And I'm only just getting around to doing it. But thank you so much. If you guys like these videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you all very, very soon. Bye, guys.